Works with all internet providers. Replace your existing Wi-Fi router, separate modem or gateway required. Compatible with any internet service provider up to 1 Gbps including cable, satellite, fiber, DSL and more. Easy to set up and manage. Connects to your existing cable modem and sets up and customizes in minutes with the Nighthawk app. Easily manage your Wi-Fi settings at the device and network level, test your internet speed, view speed history and monitor data usage. USB connections. Share a storage drive with any connected device and create a personal cloud storage to access from anywhere using the 1x3.0 USB port. Wired Ethernet ports. Plug in computers, game consoles, streaming players and other nearby wired devices with 4x1 gram Ethernet ports. Loaded with advanced technology. Designed with a dual-core processor, OFDM-A, 1024QAM, beamforming technologies and Amazon Alexa voice control. Supports WPA2, WPA3 wireless security protocols. Includes guest Wi-Fi access, DOS, firewall, VPN and more. Top reviews from the United States. Easy setup. This NETGEAR Nighthawk 4 Stream AX4 Wi-Fi 6 router came with everything I needed and setup was fast and easy. I don't have any lag on my laptop or television.